Welcome to day 32 of my 100 Days of AI Automation series. First of all, thank you so much for your support on YouTube and LinkedIn. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for showing your support. So today we are using Agent Development Kit, ADK. And I will show you how to connect it with SambaNova hosted LLMs for building faster. So without wasting a single second, it's time to jump into the machine and let's see this.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with agent building and orchestration using the ADK, the Agent Development Kit by Google. ADK is a powerful model-agnostic framework for building flexible AI agents with workflows, tools, multimodal I/O and evaluation. Today, I'll show you how to connect it with Samba Cloud LLMs to build fast, reliable, and intelligent agents for real-world use. First, go to SambaNova integrations and select ADK. Here you can see how ADK works with Samba Cloud in a multimodal agent demo, processing images, using external tools, and even turning a visual mockup into a simple web page. Second step, clone the repository, then navigate into the project folder. Finally, open it in VS Code using this command to get started. Third step, create a virtual environment and activate it. Run the command in your terminal to set up the new environment. Step 4, after activating your environment, install the required dependencies. Step 5, generate your Samba Cloud API key and place it in the .env file inside the multimodal agent folder to connect your project. Now let's run our ADK agent. Simply start the web UI with 8K web, then open HTTP localhost 8000 in your browser. From there, select the multimodal agent and send it a web page creation task, and you'll see it come to life instantly. Great job! You've just run your ADK agent, tested it in the web UI, and watched it generate a web page on its own. This is just the beginning. Now you're ready to start building even more powerful agents with SambaNova. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next one.